When the world watches Morocco step onto that pitch, most people will focus on the obvious things. But I want us to see the food culture behind the athlete, the meals, the ingredients, the traditions, the everyday African foods that helped raise these strong, resilient bodies. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. I'm Kudzai Msengi. I am not a doctor. I'm somebody who loves learning, and I've spent the last 10 years sharing what I learn about African foods to help others live healthier lives. Now let's get straight into it. Let's start with Morocco's national dish, and that's couscous. Most people outside Morocco think of couscous as a simple side grain, quick, easy to cook and use, and yes, it is all of those things. But the traditional preparation of couscous, steamed 3 times over a rich broth, hand-rolled, shared communally, that's a completely different food experience from what the rest of the world knows. Couscous is made from durum wheat, the same hard wheat that is used to make premium pasta. It's not heavily processed and has a lot more going for it nutritionally. The standout nutrient in couscous is selenium. A single serving of cooked couscous can provide up to 79% of your daily selenium needs. That is extraordinary for a grain. Selenium is a trace mineral that acts as a powerful antioxidant. It supports thyroid function, and it plays a direct role in immune cell repair and managing oxidative stress. For an athlete producing significant amounts of oxidative stress through training and competition, selenium is critical. Couscous also provides B vitamins, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B5, 6, and folate. We discussed B vitamins in the South African episode where we talked about sorghum. If you haven't watched that, make sure you go back and watch that video after this video. I'll leave a link to it below. But B vitamins are what helps convert food into energy inside your cell. No B vitamins, no fuel conversion. And as a pre-match carbohydrate, couscous works really well. Its moderate glycemic index means it releases energy at a steady pace for a sustained fuel supply. Many athletes include it in pre-competition meals specifically for this reason. Couscous is never eaten alone. It's always served with slow-cooked vegetables, legumes, and often meat. That combination, the grain, the plant protein, the fiber, and the fat, is a complete performance meal, and Moroccans have been eating that for generations. Now, food number 2 is one of the most nutritionally dense soups you will come across anywhere in the world. It's called Harira. Harira is Morocco's national soup. It's a slow-simmered, richly spiced broth of lentils, chickpeas, tomatoes, celery, onion, fresh coriander, parsley, and it's naturally thickened and finished with lemon. It's most often associated with Ramadan, where it is the first food that is eaten after sunset, after a day of fasting. And that's telling. When the body has been without food for up to 16 hours, this is the food that Moroccan tradition reaches out for to restore the body. Why? Because Harira is extremely nutritious. A single bowl provides 18 grams of protein from the lentils and the chickpeas. It provides 15 grams of dietary fiber and gives you 6 milligrams of iron. It contains 181 micrograms of folate. Folate is a B vitamin that is essential for red blood cell formation. These red blood cells are what carry oxygen to the muscles. Low folate means fewer red blood cells. Fewer red blood cells means less oxygen delivered to working muscle. Less oxygen means slower, more fatigued performances. Harira takes care of this in a single bowl. Lentils and the chickpeas also provide complementary proteins, 2 legumes together that cover a broad range of amino acids that are needed for muscle repair. And the iron that they contain is plant-based. The vitamin C from the tomatoes and the lemon juice in the soup helps to absorb that iron. That synergy is just genius. Let's talk about the spices. The spice blend of turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, cumin, they are all doing some serious work in your body. Turmeric contains one of the most studied anti-inflammatory compounds in natural medicine. Ginger has also been shown to reduce muscle soreness after exercise. Cinnamon supports the blood sugar regulation. Cumin supports digestion and iron absorption. These flavorings are from centuries of accumulated nutritional knowledge, all baked into one recipe. If you're finding this information helpful, please consider subscribing so that we can learn and grow together. Now back to our video. Now, the world knows argan oil as a beauty product, but in Morocco, argan oil has been used as a food for thousands of years. The argan tree grows only in southwestern Morocco. It's endemic, meaning it exists nowhere else on earth. It survives in near desert conditions and lives for up to 250 years. It produces a nut from which the argan oil is then extracted. Now let's talk about what is in this oil, because it is genuinely remarkable. Argan oil is 80% unsaturated fatty acids. The majority is oleic acid, the same monounsaturated fat found in olive oil. It's renowned for its cardiovascular benefits. It helps to maintain healthy cholesterol levels, and it supports fluidity of cell membranes throughout your body. The rest of the oil is linoleic acid, which is an omega-3 essential fatty acid that the body cannot produce by itself, and so you must get it through food. Argan oil is also one of the richest sources of vitamin E. Vitamin E protects cell membranes. It supports immune function. It assists nerve health and acts as an antioxidant across the entire body. Beyond the fatty acids and the vitamin E, argan oil contains polyphenols, phytosterols, and CoQ10. You may recognize some of these names from sports supplements. CoQ10 is popular in sports nutrition because it helps the body turn food into energy inside your mitochondria. It also helps to protect the cells from oxidative stress that comes from hard training. All of this is found in an oil that Moroccan families have been drizzling in their couscous for generations. In a traditional Moroccan breakfast, argan oil is mixed with roast almonds and honey to make amlou, which is a thick paste which is spread on bread. This is one of the most nutrient-dense breakfasts you can have. Healthy fat, plant protein, natural sugar, and antioxidants, all before the day begins. Now, if you were to design the perfect pre-workout snack from scratch, something that gives you immediate energy, sustains it, replenishes electrolytes, reduces inflammation, and does not upset the stomach, you would end up with a date. In Morocco, the day often begins with dates and ends with dates. Before the fast is broken, before a long journey, before the game, after the game, a date is always there. Moroccan athletes, desert travelers, hard-working communities have all used dates as fuel for thousands of years. Dates are present at every meal, in every season, and across every social context. What makes dates so remarkable for athletic performance starts with their sugar composition. Dates contain glucose, fructose, and sucrose, 3 different sugars that the body absorbs through different pathways. That is important. When 2 different sugar types use different transport systems, the body can absorb carbohydrates faster and replenish glycogen stores more quickly than almost any processed sports drink. Moroccan tradition figured this out over centuries of experience. If you were to eat 4 to 6 dates 30 to 60 minutes before exercise, it would provide fast-acting natural sugars for immediate muscle fuel. It would also give you enough fiber to moderate the release of that sugar and prevent a blood sugar crash. After exercise, if you ate dates alongside a protein source, this would quicken your glycogen replenishment and support your muscle recovery. The combination of carbohydrates and protein in the post-exercise window is fundamental to recovery science. Dates in argan oil, dates in yogurt, dates alongside Harira. Moroccan food culture has been practicing recovery science intuitively over centuries, and the mineral profile is quite exceptional. Dates are rich in potassium, the electrolytes that is lost heavily in sweat. It regulates fluid balance, muscle contractions, and heart rhythm. Dates also contain magnesium for energy production and muscle relaxation. They also have iron for oxygen delivery, and they have selenium for antioxidant defense, which is what we discussed in the couscous section of this video. If there is anything people know Morocco for, it's for Moroccan tea. Atay binana. I'm probably saying it wrong, so let me know in the comments. Tea in Morocco is not just a drink, it's a ceremony. You don't refuse tea in Morocco. You don't rush it. It's not a drink you drink alone. It's how business is conducted, it's how you welcome your guests, how families end their evenings, and most importantly, how community is maintained. From a health and wellness perspective, tea is loaded with some of the most potent natural antioxidants known to scientists. They protect the cells from oxidative damage, support your immune function, and modulate inflammation throughout your body. The spearmint in the tea is a natural anti-inflammatory. It soothes your digestive tract, it reduces bloating, and also supports your gut comfort. Research has shown that gunpowder green tea, which is the base of Moroccan tea, contains more catechins than matcha and contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes calm, focused alertness. This is what gives Moroccan mint tea its distinct effect of feeling focused and energized. The supplement industry sells L-theanine capsules to people managing demanding schedules that require a state of calm focus without the drowsiness. Every cup of Moroccan tea delivers magnesium, calcium, potassium, selenium, copper, and fluoride. When that tea is shared with people you love, it is also a community ritual that lowers your cortisol and builds belonging. To the Atlas Lions, we are behind you. The whole of Africa behind you. You have already made history. Now go and write the next chapter. Now I want to hear from you. Where in the world will you be supporting the Atlas Lions from? Let me know in the comments. If you've enjoyed watching this video, I think you'll enjoy this next one coming up on your screen. Thanks so much for your attention, and I'll see you over there.